There are places on Earth that feel as if they belong to another planet. Hidden beneath mountains, oceans, and forests, our world still holds secrets that science is only beginning to understand. Some of these places are so strange that they challenge everything we know about life itself. Deep underground in Romania lies one of the most extraordinary environments ever discovered. A cave so isolated, so unusual, that scientists believe it has been sealed off from the outside world for more than 5 million years. And inside this cave, life found a way to survive. This place is known as Movile Cave, located in southeastern Romania, near the Black Sea. The cave remained completely unknown to the world for millions of years. Unlike most caves that are explored by adventurers and tourists, Movile Cave is not open to the public. In fact, only a handful of scientists have ever been allowed to enter, because what exists inside this cave is not only fragile, it is also extremely dangerous. The air inside Movile Cave is toxic, the oxygen levels are very low, and the atmosphere is filled with gases that can be deadly to humans. Yet despite these harsh conditions, the cave holds one of the most fascinating ecosystems on Earth. Movile Cave was discovered in 1986 during geological surveys in the region. Researchers were drilling into the ground as part of an environmental study when they unexpectedly broke into a hidden underground chamber. Curious about what they had found, scientists lowered equipment into the opening and eventually sent researchers down to investigate. What they discovered shocked the scientific community. The cave was not just a hollow underground space. It was an entire hidden ecosystem, completely cut off from the outside world. And even more astonishing, it was full of living organisms. But exploring Movile Cave is extremely difficult and dangerous. The air inside contains very little oxygen, only about half of what we normally breathe. At the same time, the atmosphere is filled with high levels of carbon dioxide, methane, and hydrogen sulfide. Researchers entering the cave must wear specialized breathing gear and limit the time they spend inside. Despite these dangerous conditions, life has somehow adapted to survive here, and that is what makes Movile Cave truly extraordinary. Almost all life on Earth ultimately depends on sunlight. Plants use sunlight to produce energy through photosynthesis, and this energy flows through the entire food chain. But Movile Cave is completely different. No sunlight has reached this cave for millions of years, yet life continues to exist. Instead of relying on sunlight, the ecosystem inside Movile Cave is powered by chemistry. Specialized bacteria use chemical reactions involving sulfur and methane to produce energy. This process is called chemosynthesis, and it forms the foundation of the cave's entire ecosystem. These bacteria grow on the surface of the cave's underground water, creating a floating microbial layer that supports other organisms. Many of these creatures exist nowhere else on Earth. Over millions of years of isolation, they evolved in ways that are very different from animals found outside the cave. Most of these species are completely blind. Since there is no light in the cave, eyes became useless. Some species have extremely long antennae to feel their surroundings. Others rely on vibrations or chemical signals in the air and water. Among the creatures discovered in Movile Cave are spiders, scorpions, centipedes, and many unusual insects. All of them adapted perfectly to a world without sunlight. Similar chemical-based ecosystems might exist deep beneath the surface of planets or moons. For example, scientists studying Mars or Jupiter's moon, Europa, believe that underground environments like Movile Cave could provide clues about where alien life might exist. Only a small group of scientists are allowed to enter for research purposes. Even a small disturbance could damage this delicate environment that has existed for millions of years. Protecting the cave is essential for preserving this unique natural phenomenon. What other unknown species might still be hidden there, and what can this mysterious ecosystem teach us about the limits of life? Deep beneath the surface of our planet, Movile Cave reminds us that Earth still holds secrets waiting to be discovered.